Hi students, good morning. How are you all? You all was enjoying summer vacation. That is not summer vacation, there was no summer at all, but it was a vacation for you all. June was totally a holiday for you all. Okay. Now, we are starting the next session. After the summer vacation section, we are starting. Okay. But prior to that, I would like to request to you all, please purchase the textbook 1, 2. While you are studying, use the textbook. Means while you are hearing this or going through the video, please take the textbook and keep it with you. Why? Now I saw some students in the market and they were telling that they can't cope up with the teaching because the classes are not conducted face to face. So I'm requesting to you all, yes, you all must keep the textbook in front of you while listening the lecture. Without textbook it is impossible. Okay. And I'm just changing. Previously I was giving a summary of the pages. Now I am changing the trend because I want the students to study or understand what I am teaching. So I am changing the trend. So keep the textbook in front of you while listening to the lecture. Okay, one thing. Second thing, you must read the pages 5 times. At the least 5 times with the full concentration. Without that you can't study. And the other thing, you must create a tendency in your mind. Nothing is impossible in our life. Let the coronavirus do anything, but you could succeed this, or you could overcome the obstacles if you are ready to cooperate with the situation or adjust with the situation. So please follow the instructions of teachers. They may instruct you to do this and that. That means this and that not an easy thing. Don't think that I am saying in an easy way. Whatever instructions your teachers are giving, follow it, please. Okay? Be good students. I know that there is a difference in teaching. That means the classroom teaching and online teaching are very different. But there is no way, because now the diseases are increasing. So while it is increasing in India, we can't assure whether the classes will be or the schools will be opening in the nearby days. Sometimes this session may go like this through online classes, because the whole world is trying their level best to find out the medicine or vaccine, but nothing is working out in a successful way. So let us cope up with the situation. Let us adjust. Create a adjusting nature. Okay. Don't get embarrassed, or means don't get worried, or don't get irritated. If you are ready to adjust with this situation, then you could adjust with any situation in your life. Understand? So try to create a adjusting nature. So let us go through the second chapter. First chapter is over. I don't know whether you have written the answers or not. It's your duty to write the answers. That system was followed in last class also. Class 8 also. The answers were written by yourself. Okay. So please go through the textbook and find out the answers and write. And let me see whether I could help you. Let me see. Okay. Now, the second chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So, we had already seen what is French Revolution, what all changes took in French Revolution. That system is followed in Europe. That means, prior to the French Revolution, the system was aristocratic system. Aristocracy ruling was going on all over Europe. Understand? So after that French Revolution, socialism came into practice in Europe and the Russian Revolution took place. Let us keep aside the Russian Revolution. Now let us discuss about socialism in Europe. Okay. The age of social change. That means, you know that what is age? Centuries. Okay. There was ancient age, modern age, then medieval period. Ancient period, medieval period, now the modern period is going on. That is the age. Okay. Don't think that years, which years, your age. Yes, that is years. That is also years, but centuries. Okay. The age of social change is the heading. Okay. In the previous chapter, you read about powerful ideas of freedom and equality that circulated in Europe after the French Revolution. That means after the French Revolution, the powerful ideas of freedom and equality started circulating. Before French Revolution, the people were not allowed to implement any ideas because the ruling was on aristocracy based. Ruling was on aristocracy based. What is aristocracy? Noble people were ruling. Understand? We had already seen 3 estates in the French Revolution. The first estate is the noble people. Then comes the clergy, then comes the other groups. Third group is again divided into 3. We had already seen all these things. Okay? So, the noble people, by birth itself, they are noble people. They got the right to rule or govern the country. That system was going on in Europe. Before French Revolution, that means there was no equality or freedom. Okay. But after the French Revolution, the idea of equality and freedom came in the mind of the citizens of Europe. Okay, now let's go ahead. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change. Here dramatic means extensive change in the way in which society was structured. I had already taught you. Depending upon the society, the government is structured, means is made, is developed. What is society? I will tell you. India's customs and manners are not followed in European countries. We got our own culture. We got our own customs and manners. So depending upon the society, they can make or we can make a huge difference in the government. Understand? So this taught the citizens of Europe of the French Revolution, or the French Revolution gave these ideas to the citizens of the Europe. Understand? Okay. As you have read, before the 18th century, society was broadly divided into estates. Before 18th century, what was that? Society was divided into broadly estates. That estates we had already seen in the French Revolution. Just now I referred that there was 3 estates. What is estates? Groups or categories. Understand? So before this 18th century of French Revolution, it was divided into groups and orders, and it was the aristocracy. Here orders means what? Not giving order. These groups are given certain steps, certain orders. Group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. We had seen that also in the French Revolution. Okay. And it was the aristocracy and church which controlled economic and social power. In last chapter we had seen this also. The social and economic power was vested in the hands of the first group and second group. First group is the noble people and second group is the clergy people. So same thing was going on. It was the aristocracy. Aristocracy means noble people ruling or governing. Noble people ruling or governing. Aristocracy and church. Church means the persons working in the church is called clergy. Okay, we had seen that in the last chapter. These 2 categories controlled economic and social power. Why this church came into the picture? Because the European countries are consisting Christians. That means the European countries are fully Christian countries, totally Christian countries. Now also same thing. Most of the countries in the world are Christian countries, first number, then there comes second number Muslims, third number is the Hindus. So what is the thing? These people got some power in the government, church people. And the ruling was based on the not only ruling, the laws were based on the Christian law. That you can study later. Okay. So these people were having power. Noble people and the clergies were having the power to control the economic and social circumstances of Europe. Okay, suddenly after the revolution, it seemed possible to change this. But after this French Revolution, they understood that it is easy to, or it is possible to change the ruling system. That means aristocratic and church ruling. Okay. Then in many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, new ideas about individual rights and who controlled social power began to be discussed. in that sentence, what could you understand? In many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia. That means European countries as well as Asian countries. That in most part of the world, what was going on? New ideas about individual rights and who controlled social power began to be discussed. So, soon after the French Revolution, people start in both the countries, means Asian countries as well as European countries, citizens started discussing about the individual rights and who controlled social power. They started discussing about these things. Previously, in aristocratic ruling or aristocracy, there was no individual rights. The people don't have any power to control the social systems. Okay. They don't have any power in social decisions or social discussions or social systems or anything. What these noble people or clergy people's orders, they must obey it. That was the system. So, after the French Revolution, these people came to the point that this could be discussed and changes could be brought in the ruling. In India, Rajaram Mohan Roy and Desrosiers talked of the significance of the French Revolution. So, India is an Asian country. In India, who started talking about the significance? What is significance? Importance. The word significance means importance. Importance of the French Revolution. They started discussing about the importance of French Revolution. And many others debated the ideas of post-revolutionary Europe. They also started the other peoples, many peoples were involved in the discussion and they debated regarding the post-revolutionary Europe. Okay. The developments in the colonies in turn reshaped these ideas of societal change. So that time there were colonies instead of states. Now it is states. Okay. Each colonies are following different types of customs and manners, because you know right now also in India there is number of states, different states, customs and manners and cultures are different. So these people started discussing about their cultures which they are following and the customs and manners and all the social reforms and all that. So they found out that the ruling can be changed. After French Revolution, they came into the conclusion that the ruling could be changed according to the circumstances of the particular colonies. Understand? In the colony, what system is maintained, what culture is maintained, what custom is maintained. By keeping that custom, system and culture, we can make the laws. These matters were discussed after the French Revolution by Rajaram Mohan Roy and Desrosiers and some other great peoples, eminent peoples in India. Okay. So just now I am winding up the session. We will go for the next session. Okay. Take an intermission. Bye.